How to remove TikTok strike. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove TikTok strike. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your TikTok. Then head over to your profile on the bottom right. And on your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you've done that, tap on settings and privacy. And now what you'll need to do is scroll down. After you scroll down, there you'll see an option that says support and about. Head over to report a problem. After you tap on report a problem, you can then select what your problem is. So you can simply chat with them or tap on this report option. So right here, you can create a ticket, you can report a video or stuff like that. But what we need to do is we'll actually need to appeal the problem. So for that, you can simply select your account and profile if your account is the one that's not working. And there are other options as well, which is to make your account more secure. So you can select more options here. I'll just tap on chat with us. So doing that, what you can now do is simply type in your problem. So for a problem, what you can do is you can simply type in whatever your problem is, write something like this. Then after doing that, your problem should get fixed by TikTok, not right now, but they will review your content or your account, whatever the problem is. And after you've done that, your problem should get fixed. Now, this is what I wrote in the appeal. My bad. I haven't shown that yet. So let me write this. So this is what I'm written. So yeah, as you can see, what they say is if you believe your account is banned by mistake, and what you can do is you can try to click the question below and stuff like that. So just follow through, follow along this, and with TikTok's support, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.